There he is. The legendary Super Saiyan. I meant Yokai. Terranog. This legendary Yokai reminds me of Broly. At first, this guy and his rival that Yokai Wild Boy, Blue Moon, those two were once rivals. Now they're partners. They're like friends or something. Yeah, they're definitely friends. Here's his hair. I really do anything to see this Yokai in action on the back on the air again. It takes professionals to bring the show back and resume the series. So far, this show has gone from Yokai Watch 1, 2, and 3, Yokai Watch Shadow Side, all the way to Yokai Watch Academy. Here's his arm. There we are. All right. There we are. Here's his fingers. Here we are. There's the light. This energy that's shining from her, I meant him. This is the true power of the legendary Super Saiyan. It's like this. It's like these beings have the power to contact the spirits and transform it into the beings that they were destined to become. It's just like Digimon Frontier, when they achieve the ability to transform into these warriors. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There he is. That's how you draw a terranog from Yokai Watch Academy. I dedicate this one to the legendary Super Saiyan. I feel like we'll get a chance to see this legendary Super Saiyan real soon. We saw him in the movie, right? Dragon Ball Super 2? Yeah, I mentioned him. This one's for you, legendary Super Saiyan. And to those who have enjoyed the Yokai Watch movie as much as I did. Hopefully they'll come up with a new one real soon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell, and good night.